So I competed till I was about 13, and then I had 21 years off. And so for the last 4 years, I've been back on the mat and fighting as much as I can. I think the British Masters is always a really good session, and the national competition and High Wycombe Masters. I like doing lots of the competitions where you have both the senior ranking events and the Masters, because you get lots of fights. The home support and the just the level and the standard of judo should be really good. The British squad and the kind of camaraderie of this team is really good and strong at the moment, so really looking forward to it. There's lots of training at Oxford. Oxford Judo is really good with the number of sessions. I need to swat up on my technical as well as randori. The sessions that are being put on at the Centre of Excellence and around the country are really good. Just getting the masters guys together. It would just be kind of the pinnacle of what I'm aiming for, really. Kind of everything has been building to this, and to have something in Glasgow just down the road, brilliant. I can't wait. Yeah, hopefully the family and the team will come up. We've got a strong contingent from Oxford Judo, so with players and hopefully some supporters too, make a week of it.